Okay, let's see a couple of applications for present perfect. Talking about an unspecified time. Have you ever eaten sushi? Second application, using present perfect with just and recently emphasizes that an action was recently completed. For example, Benjamin has just finished his plate. Second example, Laura has recently quitted dieting. Third application, repeated actions from a point in time in the past up until now. For example, I have been to the Central Park several times. Well. Here it comes a very important section of our tutorial. Present perfect versus simple past. The present perfect is used to talk about past events when there is no specific mention of time. France has won the World Cup before. On the other hand, the simple past is used when there is a specific mention of time. France won the World Cup in 2018. The present perfect is used for situations that began in the past and continue to the present. I have not seen her since last Sunday. On the other hand, the simple past is used for situations that began and ended in the past. I saw her last Sunday. Okay, dear friends, we came to the end of our second tutorial from the present perfect series. I hope you liked it. If you did so, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this in the future. See you soon. Bye.